The Welsh language is important in our organisation because our citizens want to speak Welsh and we need to provide them with that service, and we have done since 2001. And we have a 98% customer satisfaction rate on our Welsh service.
We've got a team of 11 dedicated Welsh agents, and they're headed up by a senior customer service agent, which is in a Welsh essential role. So they can see that there's a career path and a progression for them to go from agent and move their way up.
Mae'r tîm Cymraeg yn delio gyda gwastraff, priffyrdd, budaliadau, treth gyngor, unrhyw beth i wneud gyda'r cyngor.
I think some people see it as a challenge or a problem. All it's done is enhanced our business and our teams and our reputation, actually, with the citizens of Cardiff. You know, don't be scared of it, go for it.
Mae'r Gymraeg yn bwysig iawn i Heddlu Gogledd Cymru. Mae gynnon ni 32% o'n staff ni sydd yn gallu siarad Cymraeg.
Everything we do requires the trust and confidence of our communities. So offering that language choice at that first point of contact is incredibly important.
Dwi'n gyfrifol am strategaeth iaith yn Heddlu Gogledd Cymru. Mae hynny'n golygu rhoi cyngor ac arweiniad i brif swyddogion, reolwyr a staff ar ei gilydd ynglyn â cyfrifoldebau a dyletswyddau wrth hybu hywyrtho y iaith Gymraeg. Yn ganolog a lefel strategol, mae gyda ni ddarpariaeth hyfforddiant iaith Gymraeg yn hwysfawr. Mae'n bwysig sicrhau bod staff yn cael y cyfle i fynychu cyrsiau, ond hefyd mae'n bwysig edrych ar y sgiliau Cymraeg sy'n bodoli yn barod. Hynny yw, siaradwyr Cymraeg di-hyda a rhoi cyfle i reina cael mwy o hyda.
The Welsh language is really important in our organisation. To be able to communicate with people in the language that they need makes a huge difference. Some of those patients are people who are the most vulnerable, perhaps the very young or the very old, or people who've had a stroke or who suffer with dementia. So it's really important to us that we are able to provide a service for them.
Some of these people, particularly at times of illness, come in and would rather speak to doctors, nurses, staff in the Welsh language. Giving them the opportunity to speak that language at those times is exceptionally important. Otherwise, we may miss critical diseases or critical aspects of patients' diseases which otherwise would not have come to the fore.
Mae gen yr iaith Gymraeg le sylfaenol o fewn BT. Mae gen ni bolisi iaith gwirfoddol Gymraeg ers dros 20 mlynedd bellach, ac felly mae'n rhan bwysig iawn o y ffordd da ni'n gallu cynnig y lefel o wasanaeth cwsmeriaid. Mae'n cwsmeriaid ni yng Nghymru isio. Mae pobl yn fwy tebygol a gefnogi unrhyw gwmni yn y sector breifat os dyn nhw'n gallu uniaethu mwy hefo be mae'r cwmni yna'n neud.
At South West Fire and Rescue Service, we really value Welsh within the organisation. We employ our own Welsh language tutor.
Dwi'n credu bod lot o bobl fel fi sydd wedi mynd i ysgol Cymraeg, ail iaith yw e i fi. Dwi'n nhw'n colli hyder, a mae'n bwysig iawn roi'r siawns i pobl fel ni wedyn i gallu defnyddio'r iaith pob dydd.
We can engage with the public that we serve in the language of their choice. They can come and talk to us in Welsh, they can write to us in Welsh, and they can obtain answers from us in their language of preference. It's such an important aspect to embrace within any organisation, be it public sector or private sector. I have started on a Welsh beginners course. I am a Welsh learner at very early stages.
Dyn ni'n mudiad aelodaeth i trydydd sector dros Cymru. Mae'n bwysig i roi gwasanaeth gorau dyn ni'n gallu wneud iddyn nhw, felly mae'n bwysig i defnyddio'r Cymraeg. Dyn ni'n annog ein staff i defnyddio Cymraeg yn y swyddfa a datblygu'r iaith nhw. Mae lot o fanteision o defnyddio Cymraeg. Un ohonyn nhw ydy'r just cael rhyw fath o connection gyda pobl arall. Dyn ni wedi gwneud pethau fel just pawb yn dweud bore da ar y ffôn. Ar ôl sbel, oedd bobl yn mwynhau wneud hynny. Mae'n just rhyw fath o icebreaker hefyd i bobl sydd ddim yn siarad Cymraeg.
Nes i ddechrau dysgu Cymraeg yn 2011 a dwi wedi penderfynu wneud hynny just siarad efo'r cleifion yn ei mamiaeth. Iawn, OK, croeso. OK.
Da ni'n darparu gwersi Cymraeg I staff ar draws y bwr iechyd. Da ni'n medru teilwra cyrsia I staff derbynfeydd, staff o fewn therapies, staff nyrsio a staff clinigol. Be da ni wedi sylwi ydy bod yna lot o ddiffyg hyder ymysg staff I ddefnyddio'r Gymraeg. Dyna pam da ni'n mynd I greu cwrs penodol I godi hyder staff, achos mae lot ohonyn nhw yn medru siarad Cymraeg, ond eto yn gyndyn o ddefnyddio wrth siarad efo cleifion.
The importance for businesses for encouraging and supporting Welsh learning amongst their staff, it's multi-layered. It helps in the business, it helps in their personal lives, so as a result, happier staff are more productive staff. Also, it helps your customers as well, your clients, your patients, so everybody benefits. So it's actually much more cost-effective than not doing it.